In the face of global energy challenges, one thing is clear. The future of power lies in renewable energy solutions. Today, we unveil a transformative alliance that is changing the landscape of solar energy, Danke Solar and Talesun. Together, they are leading the charge to reshape how the world powers its industries. Danke Solar, a leading provider of advanced technology and high-efficiency PV solar panels for large-scale commercial and utility projects, is building a reputation for pushing the limits of innovation in solar technology. Through their dynamic alliance with Talesun, combining high-efficiency panels with Danke Solar's influence in solar innovation and world-class supply chain management, they are consistently leading the way in renewable energy solutions. Talesun, recognized worldwide for its highly advanced PV modules, has delivered groundbreaking solar technologies designed to endure the harshest environments and maximize energy output. Together, this alliance is more than a collaboration. It is a powerful synergy built to drive the future of clean energy. With Danke Solar's relentless drive for efficiency and Talesun's reputation for excellence, their focus is on delivering turnkey solutions for industrial and commercial sectors at an unprecedented scale. Every project undertaken by this dynamic duo will be pushing industries one step closer to true energy independence. Together, they not only respond to the energy needs of today, they are anticipating the demands of tomorrow, helping businesses achieve sustainable growth while driving profitability. Talesun's innovative PV modules, paired with Danke Solar's leadership in solar advancement and expert supply chain management, ensure that even the most complex solar projects are delivered on time, on budget, and beyond expectations. It's an alliance that sets a new industry standard for efficiency and reliability.
The alliance between Danke Solar and Talesun is more than a collaboration. It's a revolution in solar technology. Their combined expertise is setting new benchmarks for what's possible in large-scale solar energy production.
Danke Solar ensures premium quality from production to shipment, meeting North American standards. Their rigorous due diligence process, combined with logistics expertise that streamlines the transportation and importation of high-quality solar panels, guarantees efficient delivery to your projects. With thorough production monitoring and factory audits, they ensure a smooth, seamless experience from factory to site. Danke Solar's commitment extends beyond innovation, as they ensure that the products chosen meet the specific needs of their customers. This includes reviewing specifications, inspecting manufacturing plants to ensure state-of-the-art quality production and QA systems, supervising the manufacturing process, and inspecting the entire supply chain from cell to silicon, guaranteeing compliance with UFLPA standards. These meticulous processes ensure both sustainability and ethical sourcing, offering clients peace of mind. Beyond their current successful alliance, Danke Solar and Talesun are collaborating to introduce a new panel to the market. This specially designed next-generation panel is being planned to launch under Danke Solar's brand and is being crafted with the expertise and precision of Talesun's manufacturing excellence. In addition to the strong line of Talesun brand panels Danke Solar already provides to the market, this new Danke Solar Talesun panel will bring cutting-edge performance, further expanding options for industrial and commercial applications. Danke Solar and Talesun are powering the world's transition to clean energy. With innovation, precision, and unmatched expertise, they will not just be meeting the energy needs of today, they'll be building the systems that will power the industries of tomorrow. Discover how Danke Solar and Talesun can transform your business with the most advanced sustainable solar solutions available today. Contact us to explore new opportunities for collaboration and build a greener, brighter future together.